Hey folks, so as you go through the test corrections, I want you to grab a coloring pencil, add the correct work to your test in a different colored pencil or pen that you used on the test when you first did it, right? So if you did it in black ink, then grab a red pencil or something like that. Or if you did it in a red pencil here, then grab a green pencil or something like that, all right? Anyways, you get the idea. This kid is designing a video game using the items that you see in the table. If you're asked how many different ways this could occur, right, using those four different categories, you just take the numbers and multiply them together. So 7 times 12 times 2 times 5, right? You could go, let's see, 2 times 5 is 10. Multiplying by 10 is nice. 10 times 7 is 70. 7 times 12 would be 840. So 840 different ways. On number 2, it says, what is, let's see, probably A. Let's just put this down. Sorry. Event A, numbers less than 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Those are less than 5. Event B, the number is a multiple of 2. Okay, so that's 2, 4, 6. Now it says, what are the possible outcomes for A intersect B? So we're looking for the items that are in common. Okay, so if I circle the ones in common, that's what intersect means. What do they have in the same? Okay, so it's the 2 and the 4. So we wanted to select 2 and 4. Now, on number 3, it says, what's the probability that K does not land on DE? Okay, so probability is always total down in the denominator, okay, and then favorable in the numerator. So if it says not on DE, here's DE right here. We don't want it to land there. So our favorable is all of this stuff over here, 14 plus 18. That makes 32. Okay, so we've got 32 as our favorable. Let me put that in the numerator. And the total possible is the entire length of the segment. So the whole segment is 54 long. Okay, so that's our total, 54. And that's going to go in the denominator. All right, that all comes out to be, what was it again? It reduces down, I think, doesn't it? Let me grab my black pen. 8 goes into here 4 times. Does 8 go into there? No, right? 8 doesn't go into there. So let's go smaller steps, baby steps. If I divide by 2, I get 16. If I divide this one by 2, I get 27, right? So that is probably, I'm looking over there. What was the answer that they accepted on? You're supposed to convert it to a percent, right? So shoot, I grab my calculator and I go 32 divided by 54. No reason to reduce it if we're going to put it as a decimal or as a percent. So that comes out to be 0.5925. 0.5925. So if I move the decimal over 2 spots, that's going to convert it to a percent, multiply by 100 there. So I get 59, and it says round to the nearest tenth. So it is 5.9, right? So we're over halfway to 3. So I'm going to round it to 59.3%. Hey, thanks for watching the first video on how to fix your test. All right, thank you.